Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. The name of first chapter is linear equations in two variables. Let us revise it. What is linear equation? An equation in two variables with the degree of the variables 1 is called a linear equation in two variables. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is the general form of a linear equation in two variables. Here, the values of a, b and c are real numbers. Now, some examples are given here. 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. Variables are x and y with degree 1. Second example, it contains variables m and n with degree 1. Third example, a and b variables are used with degree 1. And in the fourth example, root 2x minus root 25y is equal to 16. In these examples, x and y are variables and the values of a, b and c are real numbers. Now, the next one is simultaneous linear equations. Let us revise what is it. When we consider two linear equations in two variables at the same time, they are called simultaneous linear equations. Now, for examples, x plus y is equal to 14 and x minus y is equal to 2. It is one example of simultaneous linear equation having variables x and y. Second one is, and look at the third example. In the previous standard, we learned how to solve simultaneous equations by method of elimination and by substitution method. Let us revise it by complete the activity in practice set 1.1. Now here simultaneous equations are given. 5x plus 3y is equal to 9. Give it equation number 1. 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Now in these examples, the coefficients of y are same with opposite sign. Therefore, simply add these two equations. We get here 5x plus 2y which is equal to 7x. Now plus 3y minus 3y both are cancelled is equal to 9 plus 12 which is equal to 21. Now divided by 7 both sides we get x is equal to 21 upon 7. Solid x is equal to 3. Therefore, the value of x is 3. Now place x is equal to 3 in equation 1. Our equation 1 is 5x. Therefore, 5 into 3. Replace x by 3 plus 3 into y is equal to 9. Now 3y is equal to 9 minus 5 into 3, 15. Shifted to the right hand side, we get minus 15. Therefore, 3y is equal to 9 minus 15 minus 6. Y is equal to minus 6 upon 3. 3 2s are. Now we get here y is equal to minus 2. Solution is x comma y. First value is x which is equal to 3 and the second value is y which is equal to minus 2. Now, the first example is 3a plus 5b is equal to 26. Give it equation number 1 and a plus 5b is equal to 22. Give it equation number 2. We can solve it by both methods. Let us try how to solve it by elimination method. Now, here the coefficient of variable b are same 5 and 5. We can easily eliminate it by subtracting. Therefore, subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. Now 3a plus 5b is equal to 26. A plus 5b is equal to 22. Subtract it, change all the sign, minus, minus, here also minus. Plus 5b minus 5b both are cancelled. 3a minus 1a equal to 2a is equal to 26 minus 22 is equal to 4. Now divided by 2 we get A is equal to 4 upon 2. Therefore, the value of A is equal to 2. Substituting value of A. Substituting value of A is equal to 2 in equation 2. Therefore, we get A plus 5B means replace A by 2 plus 5B is equal to 22. Therefore, 5B is equal to 22 minus 2. 5B is equal to 20. Divided by 5, we get B is equal to 20 upon 5. Therefore, B is equal to 4. Now, A comma B means 2 comma 4 is the solution of given simultaneous equation. Now, look at second example. X plus 7y is equal to 10 and 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. Give it equation number 1 and equation number 2. We can solve it also by both methods. Let us try how to solve it by substitution method. Now, from equation 1, we can express x in terms of y. Therefore, x is equal to 10 plus 7y, shifting to the right hand side, minus 7y. Give it equation number 3. Therefore, substituting value of x, which is equal to 10 minus 7y in equation 2. Now, equation 2, 3x minus 2y. Therefore, 3x replaced by 10 minus 7y minus 2y is equal to 7. Now, open the bracket, multiply each and every terms inside the bracket by 3. We get 30 minus 21y minus 2y is equal to 7. Now, minus 21y minus 2y both contains with negative sign, therefore add it, we get minus 23y is equal to 7. Now, the constant number plus 30 shifting to the right hand side, we get minus 30. Minus 23y is equal to 7 minus 30 minus 23. Divided by minus 23, we get y is equal to minus 23 upon minus 23. Therefore, y is equal to 1. Now, substituting the value of y means y is equal to 1 in equation 3. We get value of x here. X is equal to 10 minus 7y means 7 into 1. Therefore, 10 minus 7. X is equal to 3. Now, therefore, x comma y means 3 comma 1 is the solution of given simultaneous equation. Now, third example is 2x minus 3y is equal to 9. Give it equation number 1. And 2x plus y is equal to 13. Give it equation number 2. Observe it carefully. The coefficient of the variable x are same here. Therefore, we can easily eliminate it by subtracting the equation. Now, let us see how to solve it by elimination method. Subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. Two x plus y is equal to 13. It is equation number 2 minus 2x minus 3y is equal to 9. Subtract it. Changes the sign here. Minus plus here also minus. Plus 2x minus 2x both are cancelled. Plus 1y plus 3y. We get 4y is equal to 13 minus 9. 4 divided by 4 both side we get y is equal to 4 upon 4. Therefore value of y is equal to 1. Substituting y is equal to 1, in equation 2. Therefore 2 into x, 2x plus the value of y 1 is equal to 13. 2x is equal to 13 plus 1 shifted to the right hand side we get minus 1. 2x is equal to 13 minus 1, 12 divided by 2 we get here x is equal to 12 upon 2. Therefore x is equal to 6. Now x comma y means 6 comma 1 is the solution of given simultaneous equation. Fourth example, 5m minus 3n is equal to 19. Give it equation number 1. And the second one is m minus 6n is equal to minus 7. Give it equation number 2. Let us see how to solve it by substitution method. Now from equation 2, m expressed in the term of y. Therefore m is equal to minus 7 plus 6n. Give it equation number 3. Substituting value of m is equal to minus 7 plus 6n in equation 1. Therefore 5 into m means 5 into m minus 7 plus 6n minus 3n is equal to 19. Now simply open the bracket, multiply each and every term inside the bracket by 5. We get 5 into minus 7 minus 35 plus 5 into 6n 30n minus 3n is equal to 19. Look at the terms of variable, plus 30n minus 3n. We get 27n is equal to 19. Now minus 35 shifting to the right hand side with positive sign, plus 35. 27n is equal to 19 plus 35. We get 54. Divided by 27 we get n is equal to 54 upon 27. Therefore value of n is equal to 2. Substituting n is equal to 2 in equation 3. Substituting value of n which is equal to 2 in equation 3. Now m is equal to minus 7 plus 6 into n means 2. We get minus 7 plus 12, which is equal to minus 7 plus 12, 5. Therefore, value of m is equal to 5. Mn means 5, 2 is the solution of given simultaneous equation. Now the fifth example is 5x plus 2y is equal to minus 3. Give it equation number 1, and x plus 5y is equal to 4. Give it equation number 2. We can easily solve it by both methods. Let us see how to solve it by substitution method. From equation 2, we can express the value of x in terms of y. Therefore, x is equal to 4 minus 5y. Give it equation number 3. Substituting the value of x. Substituting x is equal to 4 minus 5y in equation 1. Now the equation 1 given here is 5x. Therefore 5x replaced by 4 minus 5y plus 2y is equal to minus 3. Now open the bracket. Multiply each and every terms inside the bracket by 5. We get here 20 minus 25y plus 2y is equal to minus 3. Solve it. Minus 25y plus 2y, we get minus 23y is equal to minus 3. Plus 20 is shifting to the right hand side with negative sign, minus 20. Minus 23y is equal to, both the numbers contain the negative, add it, minus 23 divided by minus 23, we get y is equal to minus 23 upon minus 23. Therefore, value of y is equal to 1. Now, substituting again, value of y is equal to 1 in equation 3. Now, the equation 3 is x is equal to 4 minus 5y, 5 into 1. Therefore, x is equal to 4 minus 5. X is equal to 4 minus 5, which is equal to minus 1. Therefore, minus 1 comma 1 is the solution of given simultaneous equation. Now, sixth question. 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to 10 upon 3. Give it equation number, means first one. 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to 10 upon 3. The equation is given in fraction form. Here the denominator is 3. Therefore, simply multiplying each and every terms by 3. 3 into 1 upon 3x plus 3 into y is equal to 3 into 10 upon 3. We can write here multiplying by 3. Therefore, 3 cancel. Here 3 ones are 3 ones are. We get here x plus 3y is equal to 10. Give it equation number 1. And the second equation given here is 2x plus 1 upon 4y is equal to 11 upon 4. Now, in this equation also the denominator is 4. Therefore, simply multiplying by 4. 4 into 2x plus 4 into 1 upon 4 into 1 upon 4y is equal to 4 into 11 upon 4. Inside the bracket write down multiplying by 4. 4 ones are 4 ones are cancel, 4 ones are 4 ones are cancel. 4 into 2 8x plus y is equal to 11. Equation number 2. Let us see how to solve it by substitution method. Therefore, from equation 2, we can easily express the value of y in terms of x. Therefore, y is equal to 11. Plus 8x, shifting to the right hand side, we get minus 8x. Give it equation number 3. Now substituting. The value of y 11 minus 8x in equation 1. Now the equation 1 is x plus 3y means x plus 3 into y. 11 minus 8x is equal to 10. Now open the bracket by multiplying each and every terms by 3. Now we get x plus 33 minus 24x is equal to 10. Now at the left hand side plus x and minus 24x. Add it, we get minus 23x is equal to 10. Now the constant number plus 33 is shifting to the right hand side, we get minus 33. Minus 23x is equal to 10 minus 33, we get minus 23. Divided by minus 23, x is equal to minus 23 upon minus 23. X is therefore x is equal to 1. Now, substituting the value of x in equation number 3. Substituting the value of x in equation 3. Now the equation 3 is y is equal to 11 minus 8x. 8 into 1. Y is equal to 11 minus 8. Therefore, the value of y is equal to 3. X comma y means 1 comma 3 is the solution of given simultaneous equation. Now look at exercise example 7. 99x plus 101y is equal to 499. And the second one is 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. Give it equation number 1 and 2. Observe it carefully. We can see that the coefficient of x and y are same. Here coefficient of x and y are same. Means in the equations in the equation first and the second both the coefficients are interchanged. Now we can simplify it. Simply first adding equation 1 and 2. And equation 2. Now the equation 1 is 99x plus 101y is equal to 499, and the equation 2 is 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. Simply add these two equations. We get here 200x plus here also 200y is equal to, we get here 1000. Now divide the equation by 200, we get x plus y is equal to 5. Get equation number 3. It is the new one equation. Now next subtracting. Therefore subtracting equation 1 from 2, we get, now the equation 2 is 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. Subtract it from equation 2. Therefore, 99x plus 101y is equal to 499. Now subtract, change all the sign. 101x minus 99x, we get answer 2x, plus 99y minus 101y means minus 2y, which is equal to 501 minus 499, 2 divided by 2, we get here x minus y is equal to 1. Give it equation number 4. Now we get here two new equations, third and fourth. Simply adding these two equations, adding equation 3 and equation 4. Now the equation third, x plus y is equal to 5, and the fourth one is x minus y is equal to 1. Simply add these two equations, plus y minus y cancel, we get 2x is equal to 6. Therefore, x is equal to, divided by 2, 6 by 2, x is equal to 2, 3, means the value of x is equal to 3. Now, substituting the value of x either in equation number 1, 2, 3 or 4, which is easiest one. Now look at this one. Equation number 3 is the easiest, therefore substituting x is equal to 3 in equation 3, we get x plus y means 3 plus y is equal to 5. Therefore y is equal to 5 minus 3. Y is equal to 2. Now x comma y means 3 comma 2 is the solution of given simultaneous equation. Now look at next example 8. 49x minus 57y is equal to 172. Give it equation number 1, and the second one is 57x minus 49y is equal to 252. Observe it carefully. The coefficient of the variables are here also interchanged. Therefore, simply add equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and equation 2. We get here 49x minus 57y is equal to 172. The second one is 57x minus 49y is equal to 252. Simply add these two equations, 49 plus 57, we get here 106x minus 57y minus 49y, we get minus 106y, which is equal to 2 to 4 to 4, 424. Now divided by 106, we get x minus y is equal to 424 upon 106. Therefore, x minus y is equal to 4. Give it equation number 3. It is one of the new equation. Now subtracting. Now subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. 57x minus 49y is equal to 252, and the equation 1 is 49x minus 57y is equal to 172. Simply subtract it, changes all the sign, minus, plus, here also minus. 57x minus 49x. We get here 8x. Now minus 49y plus 57y 8y plus 8y, take the sign of the greater number which is positive, is equal to 252 minus 172 means 80 divided by 8. We get here x plus y is equal to 10. Give it equation number 4. Now simply add these two equations, third and fourth. Adding equation 3 and equation 4. Now simply add these two equations. We get x minus y is equal to 4 and x plus y is equal to 10. Add these two equations, minus y plus y cancel. 2x is equal to 14 divided by 2. We get x is equal to 14 upon 2. Therefore, x is equal to 7. Now, substitute the value of x either in first equation, second equation, third or fourth. Now, simply we can substitute it in equation number 4. Substituting x is equal to 7 in equation 4. We get here x plus y means 7 plus y is equal to 10. Therefore, y is equal to 10 minus 7. Y is equal to 3. It is the value of y. Therefore, x comma y means 7 comma 3 is the solution of given simultaneous equation. Allah Hafiz.